Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to complete Jujutsu Kaisen event in PUBG Mobile. So guys, I will be discussing on how to complete this event. So guys, first things first is of course open up your game PUBG. So guys, once you are here on your game, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the plus icon on the top right corner of the screen, and from here you should be able to see something like this. As you can see, we have different categories on the right side. So from here you could just simply tap on the prize path on the top right corner of the screen, and it will redirect you over here. As you can see, this is the Jujutsu Kaisen event. So now this is a limited time event, so pretty much just simply do the best you can during this time in order for you to complete this event. So to proceed with this process, you could just simply tap on the point mission, as you can see on the left side of the screen. And here, this is the crucial role, which from here, as you can see, we will have a multiple mission that we could do. And as you can see, I have already finished some of them. And now from here, I would just simply go ahead and tap on collect over here, and pretty much over here we should be able to progress the bar at the top, as you can see. Or you could just simply tap on the collect all, so I could collect all the missions that I have. And as you can see, we have a reward of a level 2 pan, and pretty much over here we should have multiple events or a mission that we could do in order for you to level up into the Kaizen. And you will have different categories like activity mission, challenge mission, extra mission, and also collaboration mission. Or of course, you could just simply tap on unlock prize path if you have money. Now over here, as you can see, we should be able to see our level. I am currently at level 2, and when I finish all of the mission as much as I can, I should be able to unlock these characters over here. So we will have here multiple items that we could unlock once we have proceed with the XP and gain some mission on this event, as you can see over here. And pretty much you should be able to unlock these characters once you get to level 25, as you can see over here. So pretty much playing as much as you can and completing all the missions over here on this list, you should be able to complete the Jujutsu event Kaisen in PUBG Mobile.